Welcome to an AutoCAD Tools video. Today we'll learn about the AutoCAD Design Center. The Design Center is a tool that allows a designer to quickly access things that have already been set up or made in other projects so that they can be reused in a new project. The Design Center gives access to blocks. Those are parts of other drawings that have been made specifically to reuse, as well as layouts, layers, dimension styles, line types, and text styles. There are more things, but this list is a good introduction to the Design Center. Here is an example of how it can be used by an instructor to check student work. You can see that a solution can be overlaid on student work to make sure that everything is correct. Many companies use a resource file as a template that holds reusable things. AutoCAD uses the term template for something that is slightly different, so we will use the terms exemplar or resource file. Let's look at the example of a mechanical resource file. In it you will find useful blocks that can help make a layout. And you will find dimension styles that are specific to a mechanical drawing as well as layers, layouts, and line types too. To use the Design Center, first open the resource file itself. Then type DC to open the Design Center. Once it is open, you can dock it on the side. Finally, select Open Drawings to show all of the drawings that are open at the moment. You can select each open drawing and expand the view to show the individual categories of things that you can bring from one file to another. Once the exemplar is open, you can create a new file. Then simply load standard items into the new file by dragging selected items into it from the resource file. Here you can see that I bring in a new layout. That's it. The Design Center is a useful tool to speed up the creation of new files according to a standard by reusing things from a resource or exemplar file. Most people call it a template. I hope this will help you create new drawings quickly and efficiently. Remember to contact Professor Schuster if you have any questions.